Why? Why you cry? Tell Mom, why you cry? Why? Why you cry? Tell Mom. Are you laughing? Are you laughing? Tell Mom, why you cry? Do you think Mama's funny? Tell Mom, why you cry? Tell Mama. Why you cry? Why you cry? Are you laughing? Why you cry? Tell Mama. Oh my goodness, Lucas. Today, let's see, today is Thursday. You're 12 weeks and 2 days old and you're laughing. I like your laugh. It's a good one. We'll show Daddy when he gets home. Huh? I love you. Say, love you, Dad.